Looking for an electric 7-seater that won't drain your wallet or patience? Meet the BYD eMax 7, a smart, family-first EV with up to 530 kilometers of range and a price tag under $32,000. Launched in 2025, the eMax 7 is BYD's answer to family-focused MPVs like the Toyota Innova, only this one's all-electric. Starting at just $31,400, or around €29,000, it brings 3 rows, solid range, and polished design to the table. Built off the same platform as the BYD E6 but with a more refined edge, this isn't a fleet vehicle anymore. It's made for families, and it shows. Let's talk numbers. You get 2 battery options, a 55.4 kWh pack for 420 kilometers, or the larger 71.8 kWh version with up to 530 kilometers of array-rated range. Real world? Expect between 350 to 450 kilometers, more than enough for weekly commutes and weekend getaways. Fast charging? No problem. 115 kilowatts DC gets you from 0 to 80% in just 37 minutes. And it supports vehicle to load, meaning your eMax can power your gadgets or even your campsite. Performance-wise, it won't break records, but it won't bore you either. The superior trim packs 204 horsepower and 310 Newton-meters of torque. 0 to 100? A respectable 8.6 seconds. Front-wheel drive in 3 modes Eco, Normal, and Sport make it easy to dial in your daily drive. Just don't expect much drama between modes. The design? Smooth, modern, and smart. BYD's Dragon Face LED lighting leads the way, with a grille-less front and 17-inch alloys completing the upscale look. It's clearly built to be more than just a van substitute. Inside, it's a tech-rich space. You get a rotating 12.8-inch touchscreen, ventilated front seats, a powered tailgate, wireless charging, and even a panoramic roof. Choose from 6 or 7 seat layouts depending on your crew. It's not all perfect though, no wireless Apple CarPlay, the audio system is average, and the raised floor means the third row's a tight squeeze for adults. There's no frunk, but cargo space is solid. And with that V2L capability, the eMax 7 can do more than just haul people, it can power your life on the go. Whether you're doing school runs, weekend camping, or long-distance family road trips, it's ready. Asterisk: the BYD eMax 7 might not be flashy, but it delivers.